Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram password in 2019. So this video is going to show you how you can change it if you're already logged into your Instagram account and you already know what your old password is. But if you're looking for a video that can show you how you can change the password if you've forgotten your old password and you can't currently get access to your account, then I'll leave a link in the description below and a card on screen. Click that and it will show you how you can reset your password. But here's how you can change it for those that already have access to their account and currently remember their old password. So you want to come to your Instagram account. By the way, go and follow me on Instagram, BradleyBRXD. And you want to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, then go to settings, and then you want to click on security. And here you can simply click on password, enter in your current password, and then you can type in a new one. So I'll enter in my current one now. Now we can enter in a new password, so I'm going to do that right now, then I'll be back. Okay, so with all that done, you can now click on the blue tick and your Instagram password will now be changed. I'm not going to click it though because I don't want to change my password, but that's how you can do it anyway. It's super simple and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure you leave a like, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.